Hello everyone, my name is Angela Mota Torres. I graduated from Charles Darwin University in 2022 with a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering, and I began working in Newmont in 2023. What attracted me to mining was when I was in university, I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to study, but I had the opportunity to do some vocation work, and I had a really good experience at the time. So I decided to continue to pursue a career in mining. Through my university careers page, I found out about the Newmont vacation program, and I decided to apply for it. I did my vacation program at Tanami for 3 months between November and February. It was a really good time where I got to learn the application of what I was doing in uni, how that actually looked like in the workplace, and it was what made me want to get into mining. Although engineering is not typically a career women might choose, I felt very comfortable throughout my degree and doing vacation work at Newmont. I didn't really think about the fact that I was a female in engineering. Even though I didn't get to see lots of other women at uni or at work, it wasn't something I had to worry about. So I decided to stay in the field. What makes the mining industry a great career choice is the amount of opportunities that you have to work with different types of people, different disciplines, different types of mining, different places. I really like my role at the moment. I'm a mobile maintenance engineer. We sit very close to all the mining teams, all the operational teams, and I get to have chats with them on a daily basis, which I love. A day in my life at the moment starts with me waking up around 4:50 in the morning. Our camp in Tanami is around 40 minutes away from the mine site in DBS. So I wake up around 4:50, jump into the bus around 5:20, get to work around 6, and I start my day going to a supervisor's handover meeting where they discuss the biggest breakdowns and downtime that they had within the mobile fleet the previous shift. So I take notes on what they discuss. After that, I compile that so that we can build a history of our downtime with the fleet. Throughout the rest of the day, I work on various safety improvement projects and have meetings with my team to discuss what we're doing for the day or for the week. A highlight of the graduate program so far has been recently I started working on failure analysis investigations for different issues that we might have on our fleet, and that's been a very good experience. We get to really get into the nitty-gritty of why we have a certain failure, and that's been very rewarding. My advice for university students thinking about going into mining would be to give it a go. Even if you're not in your final year, or I think they usually say in your second last year you should start doing work experience. I reckon you shouldn't let the year of uni that you're in stop you from going and seeking that experience. Do it from the moment that you start being curious about it. Give it a go and try it for yourself. One thing I didn't expect or didn't really know about mining before going into it was the range of different activities that you have the opportunity to participate in during your stay at camp. One thing I really loved is going to trivia night every Tuesday in Boddington. It was a really good opportunity to socialize with the rest of the team and even people from other departments or areas outside of working hours. Good way to unwind and relax after a long day of work. The mining industry is a really critical sector for the transition to renewable energy, so I'm really excited to be a part of it at this time.